In a world where seconds matter, you need to make the best decisions. Which service parts you stock, how many, and where have huge implications. They ensure organizations remain up and running and can fulfill their business goals. Should your company buy 100 parts or 1,000? Do you stock in Amsterdam or Atlanta? Can your inventory support legacy and new equipment? Are you proactively responding to sporadic demand? There's only one way to make smarter decisions. Pull real-time data directly from your assets. Servigistics, the leading service parts optimization solution, is empowering organizations to do just that. Trusted by the U.S. Air Force, U.S. Coast Guard, Boeing, and other organizations with complex service-driven supply chains, Servigistics has launched the first connected service parts management solution, tapping into ThingWorx, PTC's industrial innovation platform. The solution pulls performance data directly from connected products to improve parts demand forecasts by 30%, allowing you to keep assets up and running. Simply put, it delivers the right part to the right place at the right time for the right cost. Innovating is in our DNA. The importance of sustaining and building on this progress is critical to our customers' trust in Servigistics. This compels us to not only further develop our connected service parts management solution, but exceed compliance and security standards, solve the toughest inventory management challenges, and help our customers achieve rapid innovation. Join us in our mission. Contact PTC and talk to a Servigistics expert to radically improve your organization's service parts supply chain.